Guinea kind of me. My coins are gone, guys. Let's begin to bring back our lost coins from these Pixie coins. First of all, what do? Make sure you comb the hair, detangle around. Even if coins fed day, detangle around. We are going to bring back the coins. So you make sure, say you start from the down. Okay, Ungwana, you understand me? And this some period. I'm going to section this hair by dividing it into 2 parts because this thing too full. You don't need to just do everything. Section it, okay? Inside this place, koilala, water, serum, oil, which is Ludas. 9 days inside here, mixed together. You can go and watch my video on how I mix it, okay? Begin to spray. This hair needs to be wet. It has to be wet. It has to be dripping. You need to drip if you really want your coils to come back, okay? You see the way water they drip. Now so we take it down. Begin to comb. Sound. This one are my comb. I'll begin use and comb the hair. Make sure you start from the down, okay? Start from the tip. This koilala, hey God, oh, everything is going to be available with Cha Beauty World. See the way it don't pack the coils come out. Hey, baba. My leave-in conditioner, I will take, okay? This is also going to be available for sales. Like this leave-in conditioner is so soft, smells so nice and cute. This is my styling mousse. You see this comb? I'm turning. You see the tip? You see her? Then you lift her up, squeeze the water. You see, say the thing they gather. Oh, so devil they change like deep wave. Oh, check out this coils now. Check out this coils now. If your PC coil is looking like this, of course you are going to be slaying like a queen. And this on period. Wahala for people. Hey, let's have maintenance. The good part is that all these products I'm using for this hair maintenance, all of them are going to be available with Cha Beauty World. Trust me, there is no excuse. I don't know where to buy the product. They don't sell it in my country. They don't sell it in my city. Cha is going to be bringing it to your doorstep. And that is on people. Check it out. Check it out. You can see the coils. I hope I grab something for this video. And the front be this one. All these products you see me using, everything is going to be available first week of October. Yay! Congratulations to us in advance. Put it aside for it to dry, then the coils go come out. You understand me? So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.